Hey everybody, PourMan here, circling the globe to bring you the most exotic, the best tasting drinks from around the world. Today, we're at the district at Los Cabos, and I have my friend Ernesto here. And when you come here, you call him Neto. He is going to make for us the Hibiscus Passionfruit Margarita, and we are going to love it. You ready, my friend? Take it away.
I was ready. Okay, we're going to do a Hibiscus Passionfruit Margarita. We're going to start with a little hibiscus salt at the rim. I'm going to use one shaker. I'm going to use some lime. Regular syrup. Oh, sorry, I forgot something. Wait. Cut. Regular syrup. Chips, the hibiscus. Tequila.
Main ingredients.
I'm gonna shake it. Here, we're going to use some foam. It's the passion fruit. Here. And you're going to love it.
Bueno. The Hibiscus Passionfruit Margarita at the district. Oh, that's good. You're going to love it. You want the recipe? Go to our website, PourManMike.com. And if you click this button right here, you'll become a Pour Minion and you'll get a head of the line speed pass for all the latest episodes of PourMan and a bunch of cool free stuff. Until next time, pour well, pour often, PourMan. See ya.